VP Inday, earlier we talked about the Bukana Bridge, and you made mention that you're going to refer the situation the former president. Ano po yung desisyon ni former president?
Nag-ano lang ako kanina kung pwede ko ba i-kwento yung backstory ng Bukana Bridge, and then he said na okay lang naman. So ang nangyari dyan ay ang Bukana Bridge is kaparte ng buong coastal road ng Davao City. So hindi siya yung coastal road hindi siya makakatawid ng Bangkerohan River kung wala yung Bukana Bridge. At that time na mayor ako, may budget ang coastal road pero unfunded ang bridge. And it was made known at the time to former President Duterte that the bridge is unfunded. At siya ay naghanap ng paraan para mabigyan ng pondo yung bridge. So noong nakahanap siya ng pondo, ay sinimulan yung negotiations, sinimulan yung mga planning, lahat ng paperwork para doon sa bridge na yon ay sinimulan.